Friends, today we are going to learn a second topic of the third unit, that is 3.2, a lesson in life from a beggar. A lesson in life from a beggar. It is said that every minute of our life gives us new experience. It means we people learn a new lesson of life every day from various experiences. Here in this topic we are going to learn an inspirational change in attitude in the life of a main character in this story, Meena. Friends, now open your books on page number 93. There is a topic called a lesson in life from a beggar. Just I have said you about a character called Meena. First of all, try to understand the first two paragraphs. I'll read these paragraphs. Please look in your textbook. A lesson in life from a beggar. Page number 93. Meena is a good friend of mine. She is an LIC officer earning a good salary. But there was always something strange about her. She was forever unhappy. Whenever I met her, I would start to feel depressed. It was as though her gloom and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. She never had anything positive to say on any subject or about any person. For instance, I might say to her, Meena, did you know Rakesh has come first in his school? Meena's immediate response would be to belittle the achievement. Naturally, his father is a school teacher, she would say. If I said, Meena, Shweta is a very beautiful girl, isn't she? Meena would be pessimistic. When a pony is young, he looks handsome. It is age that matters. Wait for some time. Shweta will be uglier than anyone you know. Meena, it's a beautiful day. Let's go for a walk. No, the sun is too hot and I get tired if I walk too much. Besides, who says walking is good for health? There is no proof. That was Meena. She stayed alone in an apartment as her parents lived in Delhi. She was an only child and had the habit of complaining about anything and everything. Naturally, she wasn't a very pleasant company and nobody wanted to visit her. Then one day, Meena was transferred to Bombay and soon we all forgot about her. This is the first part of this topic. Today we are going to discuss about this part. Now what we are going to think in this part, that is we have to find out the answers of these two questions. These questions, the first one, who is Meena? We have to take answer of this question from this text. Next question is that, what was Meena's nature like? It means we are going to think only about the attitude of Meena. Now, I have written 3 new words from this lesson. The first one is that gloom. Gloom means feeling of sadness. Next, cynicism. Cynicism means a distrustful attitude. And the last one is that pessimistic. Pessimistic means having a negative attitude. After thinking about these 3 new words of this first and second passage, we come to know about the Meena's attitude. Now once again, look in your book. Meena is a good friend of mine. Good friend of mine means Meena is good friend of the author of this text. The author of this text is Sudha Murthy. Meena is an LIC officer. She got good salary. But there was always something strange about her. What was strange? She was forever unhappy. Whenever the writer met Meena, she would start to feel depressed. It was as though her gloom and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. Always, it depends upon your company. If you are accompanied by a person who is very sad, definitely that sadness transfers from that person to you. So, she never had anything positive to say on any subject or about any person. Means, what we learn from these 2 passages? Meena is an LIC officer. She has got good salary. It means she must have been happy in her life. But what happened? Meena was unhappy and unhappy forever. So, whenever the author of this topic met her, she would start to feel depressed. Her thoughts were negative about anything and any person. लक्षात घ्या, या टॉपिक मधलं कॅरेक्टर मीना कसं आहे तर आपण लक्षात घेतलं, तिला नोकरी चांगली आहे, सॅलरी चांगली आहे. याचा अर्थ काय? ती एज्युकेटेड आहे. म्हणजेच काय तर पगार चांगला आहे, नोकरी चांगली, शिक्षण चांगलं आहे. मग ऑफकोर्स काय व्हायला पाहिजे होतं? शी मस्ट बी हॅपी. तिने आनंदी राहायला पाहिजे होतं. पण आपल्या काय लक्षात येत आहे? ती स्वतः सातत्याने डिप्रेशन मध्ये राहते. तिच्याकडे आनंद कुठे भेटत नाहीये. आणि म्हणून प्रॉब्लेम काय? तिच्या संपर्कात जो जो कोणी येईल त्या प्रत्येकाकडं तिच्याकडचं दुःख, तिच्याकडच्या वेदना, तिच्याकडचा अनहॅपीनेस, कारण ती सतत कंप्लेंट्स करते. आणि म्हणून जे ऑथर या टॉपिकचे आहे सुधा मूर्ती, त्यांना असं वाटतं की तिचा अजिबात आपल्याला कॉन्टॅक्ट नको. एक 2-3 एक्झाम्पल्स त्याने दिलेले की मीना ही कशी पेसिमिस्टिक आहे, तिचा ॲटिट्यूड कसा निगेटिव्ह आहे. एक 2-3 एक्झाम्पल्स त्याचे दिलेले, ती आपण लक्षात घेऊयात म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. मीना immediately gives response to all these three instances. Meena's friend said, Meena, did you know Rakesh has come first in his school? It means her classmate stood first in the class. What was expected? She must have congratulated her. But what happened? Meena said, Meena's response, his father is a school teacher. She was not ready to accept his merit. Next example is that Shweta is a beautiful girl. Her friend said to her. Meena would be pessimistic, negative approach. When a pony is young, she looks handsome. ती सांगते की थोडे दिवस थांब. It is age that matters. Shweta will be uglier than anyone you know. थोड्याच दिवसात ती कुरूप दिसेल. म्हणजे तिचं सौंदर्य तिला खपत नाहीये. नेक्स्ट, मीना, इट्स अ ब्युटिफुल डे. म्हणजे तिची कंप्लेंट कशाविषयी आहे? क्लासमेट विषयी आहे, व्यक्ती आहे, आपण मान्य करू. एखादी फ्रेंड आहे, तिच्यापेक्षा सुंदर दिसते, तिला जलसी वाटते, मान्य करू. पण आता निसर्गाचा विचार करा. मीना, इट्स अ ब्युटिफुल डे, लेट्स गो फॉर वॉक. आता तर खरं तिने आनंदी व्हायला पाहिजे की सुंदर वातावरण आहे, आपण फिरायला जाऊ, तिची फ्रेंड सांगते. नो, द सन इज टू हॉट and I get tired if I walk too much. म्हणजे सूर्याची उष्णता तिला या ठिकाणी मॅटर करते. आता आणखी पुढे किती पेसिमिस्टिक असावं लक्षात घ्या. ती म्हणते, बिसाइड्स हू सेज वॉकिंग इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ. ती पुढे प्रश्न विचारते की चालण्याने आरोग्य सुधारतं असं कोण म्हणतात. म्हणजे तिला तो प्रूफ पाहिजे. There is no proof. या सगळ्या 2-3 एक्झाम्पल्स वरनं आपल्या लक्षात येतं की मीनाचं ॲटिट्यूड हे पेसिमिस्टिक आहे. That was Meena. Now you got the answer of this question. Who is Meena? And what was Meena's nature like? Meena's attitude towards her life. That was Meena. She stayed alone in an apartment as her parents lived in Delhi. She was living alone in Bangalore. She was an only child and had the habit of complaining about anything and everything. सतत प्रत्येक गोष्टीविषयी तिच्या तक्रारी आहेत. Naturally, she wasn't a very pleasant company and nobody wanted to visit her. अशी रडगाणी ऐकायला तिला कोण भेटणार? कुणीही तिला भेटण्याचा प्रयत्न करत नाहीये. तिला टाळण्याचा प्रयत्न बरेच जण करतायत. Everyone wants to avoid her company. Then one day, Meena was transferred to Bombay and soon we all forgot about her. एक दिवसाचा इन्सिडेंट सुधामूर्ती आपल्याला सांगतायत. अशा या पेसिमिस्टिक नेचर असलेल्या मीनाची बेंगलोरवरून मुंबईला ट्रान्सफर होते. अँड मीना ट्रान्सफर्ड टू बॉम्बे. बॉम्बे वॉज द ऑफिशियल नेम ऑफ मुंबई अंटिल 1995. म्हणून आजची मुंबई तीच बॉम्बे. असं मीनाची मुंबईला ट्रान्सफर होते. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट part. We come to know about the nature of Meena in this part. Okay? Thank you.